Fix natin ang ating locker. Yan, ating mga baon. Coke, Aero, noodles, medicine, sili. Yan. Coffee, salt. So, another salt. Right, Mr. Patel? Clean, 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 huh?
What is in his bottle?
What?
That bottle.
Water?
Bottle. The way.
Which one?
Big bottle.
This
After
one? Chili.
What's that?
Chili.
Oh, chili.
Crushed chili. Crushed chili.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Oh, there's chicken here.
Here also do.
Yeah, that's for everybody.
This is yours?
No.
So you change it now?
No, yeah, it's been here. This one is my open locker. I never close it. It's for everybody. If you want Skyflex, here, you can grab it. It's for everyone. Ako lang hindi naglalak ng locker eh. Okay lang. Kape. Yan, may kape tayo. Okay. Kaming kape. Nescafe. May tea tayo yan. May tea. Tea. Ginger tea. Kasi Friday, off tayo hanggang Monday. So, long weekend. So, yan. 1:58 na. It's September 1. September 1 ngayon. So, papasok tayo Tuesday na. So, linisan natin ang ating locker. So, yan. Tea. Salt. Another salt. Yan. Swiss. Kape.
What the? Are you cleaning up your closet?
Hot chocolate.
This
Shampoo.
Can you see me blogging right now?
What else? Metamucil.
This is for the second, third year? He hasn't gotten famous yet.
Metamucil.
Hi, Roy.
Hot chocolate. Coke. Want some Coke?
Who are you talking to, bro?
Myself. Metamucil. Hyro. Tupperware. Tea. Lemon ginger tea. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Extra cup. Yan. Yun. Kape, noodles dun. Ito yung ating toothpaste. Ayos. Push.